That's the way we do it. Now once we are done with the right hand side, we again move on to the left hand side, this side, back. That's the way we do it. Very slowly and gradually, these petals will go on piling behind one after the other. And please make sure that they go left, right. You don't have to pick up all the layers from one side in one go, but left and then right. You have the liberty to use different colors also, but here we are using white because white looks very, very beautiful and a very lovely and a very impressive looking flower.